Local news for Monday the 20th of November. House sales picked up in the region last month with 21 properties sold in South Wairarapa, 20 over the RV. Carterton steady on 16 sales with 15 over the RV, and Masterton had an increase of 31 sales, bringing the total to 61, just one under the RV. Is amalgamation right for the Wairarapa? Tonight at the Carterton Event Centre, speakers for and against the proposed amalgamation will state their positions, reply to prepared questions and respond to written questions also from the floor. The purpose is to provide you with information to help you decide which way to vote in the upcoming postal vote. The event kicks off at 7:30 tonight and will be shown live here on Wairarapa TV. State Highway 2 in Greytown was blocked between Church Street and Papawai Road yesterday morning after a car hit a power pole. There were no reports of injuries. And changes took effect yesterday for the Wairarapa train and bus services. Details are now available on the Metlink website. And in sport, the Wairarapa women's cricket side, the Kurus, had a great win yesterday over defending champions Manawatu. Setting 179 for 6, they bowled Manawatu out for 129. Well done. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.